নমস্কার, আমি আরোহী সেনগুপ্ত। আগামীকাল স্বামী বিবেকানন্দের জন্মদিন উপলক্ষে আমি কিছু কথা বলতে চাই। বাঙালির কাছে স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ একজন উজ্জ্বল নক্ষত্র। ভারতের মহান পুরুষদের মধ্যে তিনি অন্যতম। স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন 1863 সালে 12 জানুয়ারি। তার আসল নাম ছিল নরেন্দ্রনাথ দত্ত। বাবা বিশ্বনাথ দত্ত ছিলেন নামকরা উকিল। মায়ের নাম ভুবনেশ্বরী দেবী। পড়াশোনার প্রতি তার গভীর আগ্রহ ছিল। গীতা, বেদ, উপনিষদ সব বিষয়ে তার জ্ঞান ছিল অসামান্য। মানুষের মধ্যে ঈশ্বর রয়েছে এই বিশ্বাস তিনি নিজের মনে গেঁথে নেন। সারা ভারত ভ্রমণ করে তিনি নিজের জাতি, নিজের দেশকে সকলের কাছে তুলে ধরতে চেয়েছেন। কলকাতায় ফিরে এসে প্রতিষ্ঠা করেন রামকৃষ্ণ মঠ। দেশের বাইরে তিনি আমেরিকার শিকাগো শহরের অনুষ্ঠিত বিশ্ব ধর্ম সম্মেলনে যোগদান করেন। 1902 সালের 4 জুলাই স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ দেহত্যাগ করেন। তার বাণী, বহুরূপে সম্মুখে তোমার, ছাড়ি কোথা খুঁজিছ ঈশ্বর, জীবে প্রেম করে যেই জন, সেই জন সেবিছে ঈশ্বর। আজও যুব সমাজ ওনার বাণী স্মরণ করে চলেছে। এই মহান জ্ঞানী মানুষের জন্য সমগ্র ভারত গর্বিত। নমস্কার।
A very good morning to my respected principal, headmistress, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Mananguru. Today I am going to say about Swami Vivekananda birthday. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta and mother name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi. His real name was Narendranath Datta. Swami Vivekananda was a great Hindu monk and celebrated religious leader. His birth anniversary was celebrated as National Youth Day every year. Thank you.
में ताकत झकर मायूसियों में, मुरझकर मायूसियों में फूल सारे फिर खिले। मन में ताकत, दिल में हिम्मत, तेरे नाम से ही मिले। मन में ताकत, दिल में हिम्मत, तेरे नाम से ही मिले। स्वामी विवेक आनंद आनंद आनंद, स्वामी विवेक आनंद आनंद आनंद। सोच ही ऐसा कलम जो लिखे तकदीर को, राह गुम जाने का डर है मगर इस फकीर को। हर सफर आसान गुजरे, हर सफर आसान गुजरे, साथ साया तू चले। मन में ताकत, दिल में हिम्मत, तेरे नाम से ही मिले। मन में ताकत, दिल में हिम्मत, तेरे नाम से ही मिले। स्वामी विवेक आनंद आनंद आनंद, स्वामी विवेक आनंद आनंद आनंद। Thank you.
At first, I wish you all a very happy Swami Vivekananda's name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi and his father's name was Vishwanath Datta. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. He was figure with high thinking and simple living. He is best known for his famous 1893 speech where he introduced Hinduism to Western world in Chicago. He was the founder of Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Mott in Kolkata. Swami Vivekananda's teachings not only motivated the youth but also the whole world. On 12th January, his birthday is celebrated as a National Youth Day in India. Swami Vivekananda breathed his last on 4th July 1902 at the Vellore Mount. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Good morning, Reverend Brother Felix Matthew, Reverend Sister Salome, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I am going to say a quote of Swami Vivekananda. Who is helping you, don't forget them. Who is loving you, don't hate them. And who is believing you, don't cheat them. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to say a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda said, "Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy." Narendranath Datta was born in Kolkata on 12th of January 1863. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was a lawyer of Kolkata High Court, and mother Bhubaneswari Devi was a religious and holy housewife. He was also disciple of great guru named Ramakrishna Paramhamsa. The ideas and knowledge of Swamiji helped the youth about the advanced philosophy of Vedanta and Raj Yoga. Swamiji has discovered Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. He spent his entire life in the development and growth of humanity for serving God. He used to read Ramayana and Mahabharata every day. On the 12th January, Indians celebrate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda every year to inspire the youths of India. Vivekananda died on 4th July 1902 at the age of 39. It is said that he died while he was in meditation. He said the greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourselves. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Reverend Brother Felix Matthew, respected Reverend Sister Salami, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Sneha Mahato, is going to deliver a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is one of the few great men of India who increased the pride of India all over the world. Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 in an aristocratic family in Calcutta. His father's name was Vishwanath Dutt and his mother's name was Bhubaneswari Devi. Swami Vivekananda's real name was Narendranath Dutt. He took higher education abroad and came to India and served social reform and religion. Swami Vivekananda was highly influenced by his guru Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He established the Ramakrishna Mission in his name, which is still working today. Swami Vivekananda represented India in the World Parliament of Religions in 1883. During this, he also gave his world-famous speech in Chicago, USA. Swami Vivekananda worked continuously to serve mankind. Therefore, in India, he is seen as a patriotic saint, and his birthday is celebrated on 12th January as National Youth Day. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मैं परी गोयल क्लास 6 की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आप सबके सामने स्वामी विवेकानंद के ऊपर एक छोटा सा स्पीच दे रही हूँ। स्वामी विवेकानंद का जन्म 12 जनवरी 1863 को कोलकाता में हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम नरेंद्रनाथ दत्ता था। इनके पिता का नाम विश्वनाथ दत्त तथा माता का नाम भुवेशनरी था। वह रामकृष्ण परम सिंह के महान अनुयायी थे। वह सामाजिक विज्ञान, दर्शन, इतिहास, धर्म, कला और साहित्य जैसे विषयों में बहुत अच्छे थे। उनकी वाणी से निकला वह हर एक शब्द अमृत के समान था। उन्होंने 1893 में शिकागो की विषम धर्म महासभा में हिंदू धर्म को परिचित कराया था। भारत देश में राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस में स्वामी विवेकानंद की जयंती पर महान मनाया जाता है। उनकी मृत्यु 4 जुलाई को हुई थी। धन्यवाद।
A hearty welcome to everyone here. As I stand here today, I would like to present a speech on Swami Vivekananda, a renowned philosopher, scholar, and writer. In the speech of Swami Vivekananda, we will talk about his life, preachings, and contributions to Indian society. He was born in Calcutta to the Datta family on 12th January 1863. Since his early childhood, the life of Swami Vivekananda was greatly influenced by his mother, and she played a significant role in shaping his life. He completed his graduation from the University of Calcutta. After completing his graduation, he then went on to pursue law and practiced as an attorney in the High Court of Calcutta. Swami Vivekananda became a devout principal of Swami Ramakrishna. Swami Vivekananda would often approach his guru with doubts and later would alleviate them. Sri Ramakrishna is also said to have encouraged Swami to become a sage and prophet. Known for his inquisitive nature, Swami Vivekananda often questioned different monks if they had actually seen God. When he had a deep adoration for science, he was deeply determined to discover the truth about God. The explanation that God was omnipotent and thus cannot be seen could not convince Swami Vivekananda. As such, his guru Sri Ramakrishna imparted the teaching that later became symbolic of Swami's life, experiencing God by means of serving humanity. He also penned down 4 classics, the Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Raja Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga, considered outstanding treatises describing the Hindu philosophy. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Arja from class 6 and today I am going to say 15 quotes on Swami Vivekananda. Quote 1. Take risk in life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Quote 2. Strength is life, weakness is death. Quote 3. Experience is the only teacher we have. We may talk and reason all our lives, but we should not understand a word of truth. Quote 4. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. Quote 5. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Quote 6. Stand up, be bold, and take the blame on your own shoulders. Do not go about throwing mud at others for all the faults you suffer from. You are the soul and the only cause. Quote 7. Meditation can turn fools into sages, but unfortunately, fools never meditate. Quote 8. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in and in your own way absorb it. Do not become others. Quote 9. In a conflict between Quote 9. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. Quote 10. The man has reached immorality who is disturbed by nothing material. Quote 11. You should work with a master and not as a slave. Work incessantly, but do not do a slave's work. Quote 12. Whatever you believe that you will be, If you believe yourself to be ages, ages you will be tomorrow. There is nothing to obstruct you. Quote 13. If I love myself despite my infinite faults, how can I hate anyone at the glimpse of a few faults? Quote 14. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourselves. Quote 15. If you are
Evening to all teachers and my friends present here. I am here to deliver a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a renowned writer, scholar, thinker, saint, and philosopher of contemporary India. He was born on January 12, 1863 in the city of Joy, Calcutta. His original name was Narendranath Datta. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was a learned man who was profound knowledge of both English and Persian. He was a successful lawyer in the Supreme Court of Calcutta. His mother was a pious lady who influenced him from his childhood. She played a major role in shaping his character. She first taught Naren English lessons and made him familiar with Bengali alphabets. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.